Of course, in obesity, you have increased circulating inflammatory factors, right, such as TNF alpha, such as interleukin and interleukin 6, and so on and so forth. But we are studying the direct involvement of saturated fatty acids, such as palmitates and ceramides, into turning T-cell responses into inflammatory type of responses. For instance, we have published recently, both in cardiovascular research and in biochemical pharmacology, how ceramides and other saturated fatty acids can promote an inflammatory type of T-cell response, and how in omega-3, which are unsaturated fatty acids, which you find enriched in fish oils and certain vegetables, can counteract this effect of palmitate and ceramides by promoting a sort of immune suppressive response. So we have proposed that omega-3 in obesity can tip the balance of T-cell responses towards an immune regulatory, immune suppressive response that switches off the inflammation induced as a result of obesity. More groundbreaking, I believe, studies we are trying to finalize at the moment, where we show how saturated fatty acids can directly lead to a pro-inflammatory response of the T cells. And we have mechanisms suggesting how that works, which are imprinted in our T cells for a long time. And even after we go on to lose the weight, our data seem to suggest that that there is a biasing of the T cell response towards inflammation that lasts well beyond the point of weight loss. And actually, this could be a driver of weight regain. So that could suggest why individuals who lose weight then tend to regain this weight within 6 to 2 years from the weight loss. And we believe this is a very important finding, because it suggests that even if we have lost the weight, our T cells are still programmed to do inflammation, and this could impact negatively the consequences of obesity in the long run, which are, as I said, cardiovascular, autoimmunity, and so on and so forth. Not directly, I believe. Moderate but repeated exercise is one of those things that can switch the systemic metabolism towards a sort of catabolic metabolism that reduces inflammatory cells, in essence, immune cells, and so favors reestablishment of an homeostatic immune response. So a diet rich in fish oils could favor that kind of immune response. And at the same time, I think some drugs, such as metformin, are known to interfere with the metabolism of immune cells, and so kind of promote a return to an homeostatic type of immune response in obesity or in aging. At the same time, there are some novel drugs, such as the GLP-1 inhibitor, that are used in the obese population and have recently been shown to potentially have a cardioprotective role. These again could be tested as drugs that promote a rejuvenation or a retardation of the immune senescence.